Ganesh Ji, Head Episode, Earth Circumambulation Episode, Mouse Elephant Face, Vehicle Acquisition Episode, Ganesh Marriage Episode, Santoshi Mata Origin Episode, Episode of Not Inviting Him to Vishnu's Wedding, Demon, Devatantic, Sindhu Demon, Sindhurasur, Matsarasur, Madhasur, Mohasur, Kamasur, Lobhasur, Krodhasur, Mamasur, Ahantasur, Killing Episode, Mahabharat Writing Episode etc. He fought in many wars along with his brother Kartikeya. Ganesha Granth. Ganesha has the Ganapati sect. His works include Ganesh Purana, Ganesh Chalisa, Ganesh Stuti, Shri Ganesh Sahasranamavali, Ganesh Ji Ki Aati, Sankatanashan Ganesh Stotra, Ganpati Atharva Shivsa, Ganesh Kavach, Santan Ganpati Stotra, Rinhata Ganpati Stotra, Mayuresh Stotra etc. Ganapati is the primal deity who took different incarnations in every era. His physical structure also has a specific and deep meaning. In Shivmanas Puja, Shri Ganesha is called Pranav Om. In this Ekakshar Brahma, the upper part is Ganesha's head, the lower part is his abdomen, Chandrabindu is his laddu and the quantity is his trunk. His four arms symbolize omnipresence in all four directions. He is Lambodar because the entire animate and inanimate world resides in his stomach. Big ears indicate greater grasping power and small eyes indicate keen and sharp vision. His long nose, trunk, is a symbol of great intelligence. Ganesha symbols and their significance. Ganesha's big belly signifies generosity and total acceptance. Ganesha's upraised hand signifies protection, meaning, don't worry, I am with you, and his lowered hand, with the palm facing outwards, signifies infinite giving, as well as an invitation to bow down, symbolizing that we will all merge into the same soil one day. Ganesha is Ekadanta, which means concentration. What he is holding in his hands also has a meaning. He is holding an Ankusha in one hand which means awakening and a Pasha in the other hand which means control. With awakening, a lot of energy is generated and without any control it can lead to distraction. Why does Ganesha, the elephant-headed god, travel on a vehicle as small as a mouse? Isn't that very strange? Again, there is a deep mystery to it. A mouse cuts the ropes that bind us. The mouse is like a mantra that can completely cut through the layers of ignorance and reveal the ultimate knowledge that Lord Ganesha symbolizes. Our ancient sages were so deeply wise that they represented divinity in the form of these symbols rather than words, because words change with time but symbols never change. So whenever we meditate on the omnipresent, we should keep these profound symbols in our mind, like the elephant-headed god, and at the same time remember that Ganesha is within us. This is the